Professor Ratika Gore from SPJIMR, which is SP Jain Institute of Management Research in Mumbai. I head the Alumni Relations Office. I have a fantastic team. And I'm also an alumnus myself of PGDM. So I kind of get a lot of intuitive understanding of this space. And I teach 3-4 subjects across many programs. So yes, that's about me. And I've really enjoyed working with this portal, experimenting with it, and kind of having fun with it. So yeah.
I'm Sheetal Wadhwa from SPJIMR, which is SP Jain Institute of Management and Research, Mumbai. I am associated with this institute since 10 years, part of Alumni Relations Office since 2.5 years. And yes, I look forward to interacting with alumni through the portal. Otherwise, when we do events and anything which we are able to provide any kind of service to them is where I'm a part of this team for that. So yes, we did have issues before we went ahead with Alma Shine's product, and the previous portal had some of the bugs which were not getting sorted. We needed to get more alumni on the app also, which was unfortunately not happening. And then we decided we need to move on because the bugs were not getting sorted at all. And then we did our research. We came across Alma Shines. We had a meeting with I think Kapil. He's a co-founder, if I'm not wrong, with Kapil. And multiple meetings and multiple brainstorming sessions. And yes, we finally shortlisted Alma Shines for many reasons, which we will let you know in the other questions. And Professor Ratika, you would want to add something over here?
So there are two things here. One is there are always these scaffolding exercises which you do beyond the portal, right? So email campaign, WhatsApp messages, and social media. So those remained. I think there are advantages in all of them. Email gives a little more formal hue to it, but it's not that interactive which a portal can bring in. We did have another portal before, but I think as Sheetal mentioned, there were bugs which were not getting fixed. But I think the interactivity tools were also less than what this current platform which is given by you. So, and I know consumer behavior and online is such that even little delay can put people off. So yeah, that was it.
Easy logins and user friendly. It's very self-explanatory. It's not as difficult as to what a portal should be. I'm sure she'll add more.
So, I think Alma Shine's portal allows us or enables us to meet our mission statement, which is help our alumni grow. There were many phases. There were test phases, pre-test phases, and the final 2-phase launch. So the final launch, which is to the alumni, happened during COVID times.
Yes, and what better way to bring them together on a portal?
So I will not say feature, but I'll say the balance of networking versus a sense of belonging. So the ability to customize it to a look and feel about the college, so it's seamless. Along with it, the job opportunities and the search. So enhancing the network of capabilities along with a sense of belonging which comes from the customization. Adding a portal is a journey. Of course, the idea is to help us, right? But the first phase is really about nurturing and working on a lot of content and getting users to contribute. And so right now, the alumni office is doing more than the users, but I'm seeing users now coming and putting content and putting job postings. So we see the journey from alumni office led to now being alumni led.
Right.
I think we must be very practical about the use of the portal in the alumni relations. We don't expect it to be like a WhatsApp or a Facebook or LinkedIn, right? But when the need arises, let that be the first port of call. So basically job opportunities, direct
Mentorship.
research, mentorship. And so you have to trigger both on sense of belonging and networking. So my team, the office, works very hard on both content in terms of posting pictures and trivia, and of course expecting or encouraging alumni to post job posts, and we've seen a lot. So yeah.
Say this from the point of view of the number of app downloads which we have. Yes, it is going very well than what we had experienced earlier. If I track from the number of views we get on jobs and the applications that we get, yes, it is doing very well out there. So if you will ask me how do we track the success part, then I'll majorly go on the apps part, the downloads, the views, yes, and also the number of logins which we get, requests, which does happen on daily basis now. So it's good. It's nice that the alumni are aware of it and want to be a part of it and nurture it with us.
Majorly positive.
Yes,
I think most of them have really loved the seamless, experience with moment they move from our website to the portal, and they get that feel of the college. So I think that was brilliant. I think there were a few things like, batch-wise, which we spoke to your team, and it was fixed immediately. And I think in the first 1 month of launching, we got few feedback, which your team was very responsive. But overall, I would say it's a step. I get personal messages from ex-students and alumni saying, fantastic move, and they're looking forward to engaging on that, yeah.
advice for the product, go for it. Very user-friendly, cooperative team. It will help you out. It's good for the alumni also to bring them under one platform. Unlike a Facebook or a LinkedIn, this is something which is their own college, their alma mater. So yes, it's a good platform. It's like how Professor Ratika mentioned, it gives you the color and the touch and the feel of the website of your college. It's a very seamless task. So it's a good thing. It's good. Go for it. Enjoy the platform. Thank you.
So
Professor Ratika would want to say here, I'm sure about it.
No, so I was thinking what feedback, so if any other alumni team, alumni head is looking at this, I think it's a great tool, but it's a tool, right? One must look at it as a tool which is part of your strategy, a tool which will really help in bringing or realizing your strategy, but it has to be worked with it. So it's not a, end all. It needs to be worked with. And the good thing is that your team is agile. So if they're looking for a portal, I'll be very, very happy to recommend you guys. Almashine I'm very confident to recommend you guys. And so I think the idea was to look at it as a tool and work with it, allocate resources, that is time, energy, look at content, and it's a great place to experiment and have some fun with it. Yeah.